I had a black Trans Am, I'd drive across Atlanta, head west as hard as I could go and wind up in Texarkana. I'd drink a beer with Jerry Reed, then go find Sally Field. We'd outrun the wheels of justice, pray we don't get killed. We'd drive it like we stole it, maybe jump across the creek, blow the doors off of a trooper when he stopped to take a leak. A tractor trailer full of beer smoke blowing out the stack. Don't worry about that sheriff's son, we'll keep him off your back. Oh, I'd love to be Burt Reynolds, if only for a day. I'd hang out with Dolly Parton at the chicken ranch all day, and I'd drive all the ladies crazy with nothing but a smile if I could only be Burt Reynolds for just a little while.